because I didn't prepare well. I actually don't know what to basically talk about. I just came to record myself. Hello guys, I wanted to start my first YouTube channel and this is my first video. So I'm at least starting this channel today. నేను ఈ వీడియో సెకండ్ టైం రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నా because this is my first video and నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం రికార్డ్ చేసిన వీడియో డిలీట్ అయిపోయింది. నేను మ్యాక్బుక్లో ఫోటో బూత్ అని అది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నా ప్రజెంట్. మీకు ఏమైనా బెటర్ ఐడియాస్ ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ షేర్ విత్ మీ. Let me introduce myself. I'm from a middle class family. I'm currently in the USA pursuing my master's. I finished my 1 year of course and there's 1 more year left to finish. I'm also working as a graduate assistant in my current university. And then coming to my background in India, I finished my bachelor's in IIT Passer. I got this scholarship called 6 years integrated course and I finished with that scholarship. And immediately after my graduation, I joined in Talentio as a technical trainee. I worked there for almost 6 months. I trained students on Java and Python, HTML, CSS, and I make them ready for their placement preparation. And I applied to a couple of other organizations as well, like TCS, Infosys, and Accenture. Finally, I joined in Accenture and I worked there as a software developer. I worked there for 3 years. Last year in Accenture, I started applying for masters. Also, I'll tell you why I'm starting this video. I am now eligible for the CPT. I'm trying to apply for more internships. I thought, okay, if I record and if I share what I'm doing right now, if you're someone who is really looking for internships, you can follow my journey. I'll share every information over here. If you need any help, I'll just guide you guys. You can just comment down if you need any help. Yeah, today I'm here. It's mainly because I always have this in my mind that I did not do anything productive. I did not do anything in the whole year. Yeah, I need your support guys because my birthday is coming up. It's very early. It's in between January 1st to January 5th, but very special day, So I think you can guess my birthday. If you guess it correctly, you can comment it in the comment section. I'll tell you. That's all about me guys. I'll share a couple of more videos in my upcoming days. If you're more interested in my videos, just do comment below. By the year I'm going to post 8 videos. I'm thinking of getting 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month, because I always have this in my mind that I'm not doing something really productive. By the year end I have to do something and anpichindi. So that's what I started this YouTube channel. I'm recording myself right now. Anyhow, na internship preparation start chesa, so adi meeku help aitadani anukuntunna. Meeku in case guidance kavalante you can just reach out to me. Okay then, see you. Nenu 1,000 subscribers kavalani anukuntunna. Might be I'll be reaching 1,000 subscribers very soon అని అనిపిస్తుంది. Subscribe me, comment, like, share. See you guys in the next video.